Hey everybody, how you doing? Let me get me a thumbnail. I keep forgetting to do these. Let me get another one. Let me see. Okay, let's get on one more. What's up? Let's get this eating on tonight. We got some snow crabs. I got some king crabs. I got some broccoli. What y'all know about that broccoli? What y'all know? What y'all know? Let's see what y'all gonna know about that. We got these mussels. Okay. So yeah. I got me some sauce right here. I made it myself, beloved. I haven't got on your level yet, but I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get that sauce, so I'm gonna get some of that. So let's get eating, y'all. What's up? Everybody been talking about that broccoli, but I've been eating broccoli for years. With my seafood boil. I'm so glad to be here. And I am super duper hungry. Got these mussels. I'm gonna get all that. All that good seasoning. Yes. That lipstick sure don't last long. We're trying to eat this food. There's gonna be less talking and more eating. That's what we're gonna do. So, my channel is Tara Teller. My name is Tara. Where are them TTs at? I need all them TTs. I'm so hungry. What y'all know about that broccoli now? I ain't gonna eat them stem though. I just like the tree part. You know the tree part of it? Let me show y'all. The tree. See the tree part? This part I like. some good water. Oh, excuse me. Just some of these crab legs. Ooh. Ooh, wait, uh-oh. Let's see. Get my scissors, y'all. It's just Tuesday, y'all. It's just Tuesday. I don't know what's going on. The week moving by really, really, really slow. So home, I don't even know where to pick up, what to eat. And this sauce is really spicy. Excuse me, y'all. Yes. Got that big boy. This is so good. So good. So, yeah, this is, I get out work at 5 o'clock. I had to stop by the seafood store to get these king crabs and my broccoli. And I cooked the snow crabs and the shrimp and the mussels. So I had a long day. Mmm. This is so good. Oh, excuse me. I need all the burps I can get. To make more room, let's talk. Yeah, all right. Yes, yes. I'm gonna bite this. I sure am. What y'all gonna say? Y'all don't like it? What do you like? Comment down below. Sometimes you just gotta bite it, y'all. You gotta. Mmm. 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 Okay, y'all. Let's get into this. It's king crab leg. Woo! This sauce is spicy. Ooh. That popped everywhere. Let me see, can I get this big boy out of here? Oh, don't break, don't break. Oh, I want it whole. Yes. I got it, TTs. Look at that. Well, I'm gonna put that down. Mmm. It's so good. Let's eat some more of this broccoli. Yeah, I need to get on that broccoli. Yes, yes. Yes. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Uh-oh. Get my hand out of the way. I need another bottle of water. This is so spicy. Excuse me. It's so good. So good. Look at that. Look what I got out there. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. See what else I'm eating. I didn't see the mussel sitting over there. I made a mess. It's so good, y'all. I hope y'all liking this video. We'll go. So if you are liking this video, hit that subscribe button. You know, the one down to your left. To my left. Maybe to your right. But it's going to be on my left because I'm recording. So, that's what you need to do. Hit that subscribe button down there. And subscribe to my channel, so you can get all the updated videos. Yes, do that. You, I want you. Yeah, you know you are. Hit that subscribe button down there. You won't be disappointed. That's a lot of food right here. It's a lot of food right here. I don't even know if I'm gonna eat all that. Yeah, my bark was bigger than my bite. Yeah. Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Don't stop being silly. Stop being silly. So good. So good. Excuse me. So everybody, let me get out of here. If you like my video, excuse me, please like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, Tara Tellin TV. I'll check you guys later. Peace.